So, all the nail salons are closed. And my nails look like this. And even though I am stuck at home, that does not mean that I do not want to look pretty. You know, I want to look beautiful. I want to look sophisticated. But that's just not gonna happen when you have nails like this on your hands. So today, I'm going to try and do it myself. I don't know why I'm wearing glasses. These can go. I'm sorry. Also, hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. So, I went on the interwebs and I got myself some nail supplies over here. Ta-da! I have done my own nails before, but those were acrylics. And I don't know if you've ever worked with acrylics, but that stuff is so hard to use. So I thought I'm gonna try and use something different today. So I got myself some polygel. Oh shit. Oh shit. Polygel. I have never worked with polygels before, but I did watch a few videos, a few tutorials. So I basically am a professional right now. So, let's get cracking! I don't know why I did that, I'm sorry. So, the supplies that I have are of course my polygels. These are 3 different colors. Also got my nail forms. Is that how you call them? I don't know. I got these brushes, spatula, got a bunch of gel nail polishes, got some liquid that you're supposed to use. I don't know. Got a primer, and I got a top coat. Oh yeah, I also got a lamp. Wait. Sick. I also got an electric drill, but I'm pretty sure that I should not be handling this because I will lose all my fingers. So maybe just put this back in the box. Okay, so I think the first step that I need to do is clean these disgusting nails because oh my god, they're so gross. Let me show you. These are my nails. Oh god. As you can see, I still have nail polish on them. I have hair dye on them. They're also like yellow and green. Because a month ago I decided that it was cute to wear neon green nail polish and it just like stained my nails. And also I am a horrible nail biter, so my nails basically always look disgusting. Love it! So let me just take my nail polish remover. Oh, that stuff is so gross. Oh, this. I don't know why I keep smelling it, because this stuff is... It's not good for you. It's definitely not good for you. Clean my nails. La 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 la. Let me clean them. Oh my god, I just realized that I still have acrylic on my nails. Oh my god, because whenever I get acrylics, I do not go to the nail salon to get them professionally removed. I literally just rip them off my fingernails. So, yeah. That is definitely something you should not be doing. Okay, so let me just push my cuticles because that's something that I saw people on the internet do. So I think I should do that too. I don't know. Is this supposed to hurt? I don't think so. I also have cuticle scissors, but the last time that I used this, my fingers started bleeding. So let's just use it again. Ow. Ow. I'm cutting in my skin. Okay, I'm not gonna use this. Bye. Let me get the instructions that came with the package. Okay, so this is in French. Is there... Okay. Thank god, there's an English side as well. Trim and file your nail lightly. Well, I don't have to trim my nails because I already did that with my mouth. So let me just get a nail file. Is this lightly? Probably not. Okay, step numero 2. Apply a very thin layer of base coat and cure it under UV LED lamp. And just like all the other stuff that I've been using in my videos, this also says, for professional use only. Well, I'm still gonna use it. So I have absolutely no idea how long I'm supposed to keep this under the lamp. So let me just see if people on the internet know what I'm supposed to do.
And I cure in the LED lamp for 60 seconds.
60 seconds! Damn, that took a long time to figure out. And let me put it on my fingernails. I'm just putting it all over my finger as well, but that's fine, I guess. This stuff smells like sesame oil. That actually is very nice. Okay, bake that shit for a minute. It's still sticky. Is that supposed to happen? Let me do it again. Is this supposed to feel sticky? Because it is very sticky right now, and I don't think that's supposed to happen. But I kind of feel like that means that my lamp doesn't work, which basically means that this entire video is not gonna work. Love it. Let's just continue and hope that everything is gonna be alright. Select a suitable shape and size false nail tip. Okay, so I'm gonna have to pick one of these, and they're gonna have to fit my nails. Okay, I'm gonna start with my pinky because it's the smallest one, and I also feel like that's gonna be the easiest one. So let me get some of my polygel. So let me just put some the liquid in there. There's still like so much acrylic stuck to this, so I'm not sure if you can like mix these two up, but oh shit, that's so much liquid. Ah, whatever. And what they do is they get a little bit of polygel out of it. I don't know. And then they put it in here. And with a little brushy, even it out. Okay, I think I got it. And I think I'm not just supposed to stick it to my nail. I don't know. Let's see. There are like so many hairs stuck in this stuff. And hairs on my nails. Oh god, Pablo's hairs are everywhere. Ooh, beach. Ow. I thought that this was gonna be fun, but honestly, I'm already bored. And I've only done one finger. I haven't even done one finger yet because I'm still working on one finger. Let me just try and take this off. Because they say that you can literally just rip it off. So let me see if that's true. Oh shit. Oh bitch, look at it. Look at it. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. It is pretty damn good, bitch. I mean, it is a very long nail though, so I do think I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter. But for now, I am very happy with myself. So, next nail. Put it in there. I feel like I should have probably invested in a better lamp because I literally looked up the cheapest one that I could find. And I know now why it was so cheap. I did something terrible. Oh. I might have forgotten to kind of fix the inside of my nail. And now it looks kind of bad. It's like a whole lump of product over there. Oh my god. Okay, let's take this off again because that is literally the most satisfying thing to do ever. If it works at least. Beach. Oh shit. I mean, it looks good from like the front, but if you look at the back, oh god. Just take it off. Go! Why aren't you cooperating? Whee! Why am I making them so long? Like, there's no way in hell that I'm going to be able to live with nails this long. So I did my finger and thumb off camera because this is all taking way too long. And I also want to do some nail art, which I probably should not do, but I still kind of want to try it, you know. But it looks like this. Honestly, it is not as bad as I expected. Look. Oh shit. See how long? So let me just quickly do my other hand because, like I said, this is all taking way too long. And then I'm going to continue on doing some beautiful nail art. Look, I don't want to like toot my own horn or anything, but I'm fucking good at this. Toot toot. Look at my nails. Oh my god. So these are my nails, and I actually am already very happy with them. I really love the color. But I'm gonna do a little bit of nail art because I feel like it. So the nail art that I'm going for today is something that you all have been sending me like crazy because you all know me so well. It's actually insane. Because today I'm going to give myself some cow print nails. I feel like cow print shouldn't be hard, but I feel like it's gonna be very difficult for me. But first off, I'm just gonna start with applying a white coat. Bake that shit for a minute or 2 minutes. How long should I bake this stuff? I don't know. Curing time requires approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So okay, let me just cure it for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. I think it looks pretty gross, to be honest. Like, the layer is very thick. Okay, so my camera turned off, so I didn't show you how I did this hand, but honestly, it was the same as doing this hand, so you didn't miss much. Also, I'm sorry that I don't have a second camera to show you, like a close-up, but all my cameras are dead, and my phone storage is full, so I can't film anymore, which really sucks. So I hope you're still gonna be able to see it. I mean, honestly, you're not gonna learn anything from this anyway, so I don't know if you need to see it. Ooh, I'm gonna put it on here. And using a tiny brush, let's make some cow print. Look! I got a cow nail! Oh my god! This is exciting. Damn, Daniel! Okay. Bake that shit for 500 minutes because my lamp is not good at all. Look at it! Look at it! Look at my nails! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, they're so cute! Cute! They aren't like the most beautiful nails I've ever seen in my entire life, because this is literally like the first time in probably 10 years that I started doing nail art again. Oh my god, I remember when I was like 14 years old, I had this whole nail art phase and I would like draw dots on my nails and I would feel fucking amazing about it. Oh, the memories. I'm gonna have to do my other hand as well, and that is going to be a little bit more difficult, I think. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat. I don't say meow. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Got my last one. And I still need to do a top coat. Oh. But they do be looking cute though. Puppy. Puppy. Oh. Okay everyone, I am finally done with my nails. This took so long. I started at 11 o'clock and it is now 4 o'clock. My nails are very pretty though. Like, yes, it did take me approximately 5 hours to get them done. I've had about 6 mental breakdowns, but they look cute. What do you think?
Yeah, I think they're pretty.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I did not expect them to turn out this good. Like, I know they're not good. I mean, they're pretty crusty. But knowing me, I thought they were gonna end up looking way worse. Yubby. Oh shit! Oh shit! These are my nails. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. They're cute!
Yes.
They are cute. It took a long time to do, but I'm gonna be honest. It's way easier than acrylic nails. I will definitely be doing this again because honestly, it's just really easy. I mean, it did take me 5 hours to do, but other than that, it's actually very easy. So that means that I can save some money on my nails now. I mean, I'm not sure how long they're gonna hold up because they might just like fall off my hands by tomorrow. So, this happened an hour later. Help. This was today's extra video. I hope you liked it. Next week there will just be one video like always because my Nintendo Switch arrives tonight. So I will be playing that a lot the upcoming coming months probably. So yeah everybody, thank you all for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget. Nobody understood that. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok and my YouTube if you don't follow me there yet. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.